the world of building materials, there has been a distinct shift in how people buy product. Like in every other industry, people are looking for the convenience of ordering online, but without the benefit of having a website that is integrated to your core business system, this is difficult to deliver for your customers. With Dynamics Building Materials, we deliver a solution that encompasses selling online, so that when your customers log in, they see their details, their pricing, their products, and their ship to addresses. And you get all the benefits of customers serving themselves, where there is only one place to update customer details, products and pricing, therefore allowing you to spend more time directly with your customers. For the more sceptical amongst you, we have a building materials customer selling bathroom products to the trade, who, within a few weeks of going live with Dynamics Building Materials, transitioned 80% of their pro forma customers to ordering online. For your larger customers, there is also an account portal which allows them to check their outstanding balances. With Dynamics Building Materials, integrated online selling and integrated EDI, which we covered in another recent video, means much less admin involved in sales order processing, as well as the opportunity to open new sales channels and grow your business.